Hello guys, welcome back to vlog. I'm Ara. And I am Yumi and we are the co-sisters, students of Korean Pinay. Ayan, samahan nyo naman kami sa amin another mini vlog. Hello sa mga chinggo namin na Korean at classmate pala sila ni ate. And they are also our neighbor. And we are already here at school. And I saw Tita and Yunju. Aba, nakahambok din si Korean maliit. You're so cute naman, Yunju. This time pala ay Chuseok Mooncake Festival celebration namin sa school. All students ay naka-assign. They will bring Korean or Chinese food or delicacies. Yung mga ibang student pala ay naka-wear ng Chinese dress. May free food pala sila, rice, cake, and other foods. Mommy and Tita Elaine also tried the food. Fast forward, kinahaponan dahil Friday today, me and Yumi have online class sa Kumon. I'm so sad, ate. Akala ko maka-cellphone tayo. Unya naming study isa ta kay naghulat si teacher. Yung mukha mo ming sobrang sleepy na. At nagyaya si Apa kumaan sa labas. At nawala yung antok ni Yumi, aba buhay agad. Syempre ate, laag na nga yan. Pero sad dahil brown out pala. Hay nako, ang gutom pa naman yung Disney princess niyo. At biglang ako napakanta dito. Lights, where are you? Dito na mi. Ay, ambot. Dahil 30 minutes kami nag-wait sa kuryente. And we say to Apa, we want to eat samgyeopsal na lang. Eat samgyeopsal, ming bulolo ka na naman sa gutom. Ayaw, ug saba. Okay na yan. At naka-order na pala kami ng food. Kasaba pala namin sila Apa dito sa table. And first, they give our side dish. After, they cook already our food. Dami gutom na namin ni Yumi kasi 7:30 nag-start kami kumain. Ayaw og saba, tinapaso na baya ko. Hinay-hinay lagi ming kay mainit yung steam egg nato. And wow, ang sarap sa mata yung samgyeopsal. And mommy also order makchang kasi favorite niya daw yung bitukang ng baboy. It's ew. At kinabukasan, I told mommy to cook champurrado for our breakfast kasi miss namin kumain ng champurrado. But you miss so arte, mabulingit daw siya. Maura, salamat sa pagtanaw. Sa hindi pa po nakapag-follow, please follow the co-sister po. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!